Oh, I'm sorry I sprayed you guys. Please forgive me. I sneezed while drinking some water. So, were you guys going somewhere?
2 squirrels, acorn party. You should come too.
Hi, squirrel. We're here.
Whoa! But how come Squirrel isn't here? Ta-da! I'm here! In fact, I made something super duper special for you. Okay. Delicious and crispy acorn roast. Wow! That's so yummy! Hey, Squirrel, is that smoke? Oh, look there! My house! Too hot! Someone help me! I left the oven on! Huh? Oh! Aha! Elephant! You can squirt that water on the fire!
But I can't.
No, you won't, Elephant! We need you! Please!
Okay. I'll try.
Let's try one more time!
Okay. It's really starry tonight.
So many stars! Oh, there are 100 stars!
Oh.
Look there!
Oh.
A star is coming down. Look, there it is!
Wow. Something up there is glittering.
It's coming this way!
Oh, it's a firefly.
A firefly? It's not a star?
The fireflies have glowing bottoms that shine bright like stars.
Wow! Hey, why don't you sit on my head?
The firefly went into your bag, Bobby. Isn't that Bobby's bag?
Oh, the firefly is not in here. Firefly, where are you? Oh, look! A star is falling. What? It's a firefly!
Wow, the firefly brought us its friends to light up the way home for us.
Chip, what's that on your head? Oh, look over there. Oh, it's foam. Hey, I'm a monster.
Tommy House!
Is your house made of this foam?
Yes, it is! This is my house! Ooh.
Oh dear, I think it's because you suddenly felt cold, Spittlebug.
We'll help you. It's all because of us.
I'm so full now I can't even... What's this?
Oh, look, bubbles! Mommy, Dory, Jack! weather's too nice for a storm. That's right, and it's going to be sunny for the entire day. So let's stay outside and play all day.
Huh? That's not right! There really is a storm on its way here! Huh? Aha! Attention, forest friends! There's a storm coming! Get inside! Attention! A storm is coming! Get inside!
Oh! I hope my children are on their way back.
Say, would your children happen to be playing with some pinwheels?
I'm the fastest! Oh. It's spinning really fast on its own. That was cold! Guys, let's go fast!
Get you all back home.
Yes.
Let's play tag! I'll be the tagger! They left. Who should I treat now? Huh? The branches are drooping. What are you doing? I think it needs more water. All right, it's done. Now wait for a moment. Wow, the little pines got nice and healthy again. Who are you? I'm Ladybug. I heal sick plants. Oh, the balsam flower's wilting. Well then. Ah, sunlight. Fine. Can you move a little bit? The balsam needs some sunlight.
Catch me if you can.
I'll get you, Bobby! Gotcha! It's Dory. What are you doing? I'm healing the balsam flower. Wow! Nino, 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 Nino. Look! His branch is almost broken. It's completely broken now. What do we do?
What happened, my chicks?
Well, we tried to fix the grapevine's branch, but it's completely broken.
Then we'd better plant it.
And finished! It's all planted. It will grow again now. I hope it'll grow really quickly.
Hey guys, watch this!
Yeah! Wow! Awesome!
Okay, chicks. Mommy's gotta go to the market so she can buy some fabric. So have fun while I'm gone.
Okay, Mommy!
Check this out. This tumble's gonna be even better.
Almost lost it there. That was great. Oh, look over there. Wow!
Watch this. This one's gonna be better than the last.
Yeah! Whoa!
Hey, who is that?
What's over there? Huh? Hi there. We're Baby Kateri Pheasant.
Hi, I'm Red-Crested Cardinal.
Yeah. Hey, Cardinal, what exactly are you doing?
I'm crossing over a steep cliffside.
You're crossing a cliffside?
What are you talking about? There's no cliffside. The red leaves on the ground are the safe path, and the areas outside are a long drop. So stand on a red leaf if you don't want to fall.
Wow, that sounds fun! Will you let us join in?
Of course. Okay, pay attention to where I step and make sure to follow closely. Doesn't look like any fun at all. Wait for me, guys. Got a lot of big gaps here. We have to be very careful. We got this. Just be really careful. This isn't dangerous at all. This is easy. Gotcha. Thanks a lot. Jack! Be careful! You pheasants are gonna fall!
Are you kids all right now?
Yeah! Thank you so much, Mr. Badger! What do you say, guys? Should we continue across the cliff?
Yeah!
How are we gonna get across? There isn't a red leaf anywhere.
Of course there isn't. I just finished raking the leaves here. Well, pheasants, I'm off to rake leaves somewhere else.
This isn't good, guys. I don't see any way forward from here. So that's it? We're stuck? We can't go anywhere?
Mommy! Mommy!
Don't worry, chicks. Mommy's on her way.
Mommy!
My babies. Oh, my chicks, what happened?
We were crossing the cliffs, jumping on red leaves to make sure we didn't fall, but then the leaves disappeared.
We got stuck here because Mr. Badger cleaned up the leaves.
I think I have just the thing.
What do you have?
Ta-da!
Wow! Now we got a great big red path.
Let's continue our journey. Come on, everyone. Follow me. One step, two step, follow me.
One step, two step, carefully.
3 step, 4 step, cliff so high.
3 step, 4 step,
Touch the sky. Walk the path, don't fall down. Stay on red and don't touch the ground.
अगर आपको ये कहानी पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन जरूर दबाएं। मिलते हैं अगली खूबसूरत कहानी के साथ।